Good morning, guys. 5 o'clock in the morning. And day 3 dito sa Bali. But this morning is different because alas 5 pa lang. Sobrang aga. Kaya hindi tayo nakakuha ng ating 8 hours na tulog. Pero we need to prepare because today is the day for Nusa Penida. So if you can check it out, the Nusa Penida, ito yung isa sa must-see attraction dito sa Bali. It's an island, another island. So medyo malayo tayo, guys. Kailangan natin agahan. But I believe this is a worthy place to visit. Nakalimutan ko pa yung word. So let me have my breakfast. So for breakfast, dinalan kami kagabi ng pagkain namin. Hoping that we would eat it this morning. Kasi sobrang early talaga. So pancake na lang, tsaka fruits. And then nag-prepare na lang tayo ng maliit na pampainit. Yan. Daanan ko to outside our accommodation, just inside the property, pero nasa walking distance lang siya ng konti. They prepared here like a very comfortable spot for those who want to enjoy their yoga in the morning, who wants to have meditation, and who would like to do some small exercise. Kasi sobrang ganda niya, guys. It fits 2 people with yoga mat. And it faces the rice field and the jungle at the same time. Very serene. Now I know what to pack next time I come back to Bali. Rising, and time check, it's 6:30 in the morning. At kahit 6:30 pa lang, guys, I can see few talaga. I can see few traffic. Wow, that's a nice one. Few traffics along the way, imagine. So kapag lumalabas kami ng 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and later than those times, sobrang traffic na talaga. Kaya isa yan sa mga warnings dito sa Bali. If you want to enjoy all your to-go places in one day, leave as early as possible. Kung pwede guys, huwag na kayong matulog, alas 3 pa lang, magbiyahe na kayo. So imagine waking up at 5 o'clock today, leaving at 6. But it's good kasi we know that we are right on time for our plan for today. So ngayong araw, isa lang talaga yung lugar na pupuntahan natin, which is the very well-known island of Nusa Penida. One of a kind, guys. The photos alone sa social media are already breathtaking. How much more if we are going to see it with our own eyes. So yeah, sana hindi tayo makatulog sa antok dahil kulang tayo sa tulog, guys. And sana I look fresh enough kahit wala tayong mga ligo. We will ligo later na lang sa dagat. So let's go. And of course, don't forget to watch our last 2 recent episodes. Ayun, huwag niyong kalimutan at sana nag-enjoy kayo, guys, sa mga putak-putak sa buhay. Ayan, imimit natin ngayon si Madam Ten Gibbs. So ngayon nagtataka siguro kayo bakit hindi kami lagi magkasama. So ito kwento ko kasi wala naman tayong ginagawa dito sa sasakyan. So mag-ano na lang tayo, mag-chika moment, mag-marites. Alright. So basically, ang una talagang nakapag-book ng Bali, Indonesia travel is si Madam Ten Gibbs. Bigla lang siya nag-book with her husband, with her daughter, and with Madam Bibi, the owner of Mine and Yours, Ukay-Ukay, kung saan most sa inyo dito na nanonood ay bumibili. And when she showed us that she already booked, I'm like, why not? Kasi isa to sa dream place natin and I really want to go travel to Bali, and this time I want to go na hindi ko muna kasama yung mga bata. Kaya ba ng finances, ganito, ganyan. And then after a very quick thinking, ba? Mabilis pa sa 24 oras, guys, basta gala. Late tayong gumising sa trabaho, pero pag sa flight, andun na tayo 5 hours before the flight. So anyway, nag-book din kami pero separately kasi wala nang masyadong options dun sa travel and tour company na napili nila. So for us, we decided to do it differently. Ayan, nag-contact kami sa aming contact dito sa Bali, and we arranged everything. Okay? So magkaiba kami ng hotel kasi puno na din yung kanilang, puno na yung kanilang place, and we don't really like their accommodation kasi pumunta kami ng Bali to feel the Bali, to feel the jungle and the rice terraces around us. So most of our nights here, we chose accommodation. Nakita nyo naman sa video na environmentalist style. Environmentalist, ano daw yun? Para sa mga jungle lover or nature lover, yun yung mga type na mga accommodation na napili namin. Even for this second accommodation namin, it's also very beautiful, very refreshing. It's very close to nature. So papakita ko ulit yan sa inyo, pero later na lang. Yeah, so malayo kami. They will stay here also shorter or a few days compared to us. So hinahabol nila yung itinerary nila. Most of their hotels are more modern style and they are closer to the airport. Kami naman around 1 hour away from the airport. It was difficult for us to meet sa mga itinerary during the days, the first day and the second day, kasi magkaiba kami ng sasakyan, magkaiba kami ng driver, magkaiba kami ng location na pinanggalingan. So our travel time was were all challenging. We tried to meet up, we tried to link up, pero it was almost close to impossible. Kaya kahapon hindi kami nagkita. They were one place ahead of us. And mahirap kasi kapag hindi natin sinunod yung ating itinerary, kasi gastos yun sa oras, sa gasolina at sa energy, kasi naka-arrange na yan dito. Naka-arrange na siya logically, tama ba? Logically. Hindi alphabetically, guys, Okay, so kahapon hindi kami nagkita. Doon nagkita kami the first day. So we were happy with that one. Nakita nyo naman, we made few videos together. And they were also there on the first few episodes sa YouTube channel. But today, we did our best na talagang spend together the whole day. And we chose the Nusa Penida activity. Ayun. So, yeah, we will try to link up ngayong araw, ngayong morning sa harbor or sa pier kung saan kami sasakay ng speedboat going to the island of Nusa. Alright, so I know you guys are excited. First time namin lahat dito, if you wanna know. Madam Ten Gibbs, one of her life goals is to travel as much as she can to as many places as possible. Kaya nakikita nyo lagi siyang merong mga international uploads kasi yan yung gusto niyang gawin. Yan yung kanyang luho. Yan yung pambawi niya sa stress niya. Bukod sa mga magagandang golds niya na suot. Pero she deserves it. She really, really deserves it. And we are happy that she's doing this at a very young age. Of course, we do hope and pray na we can travel together as a family, as a whole, at least one destination. Kung hindi kakayanin ng bulsa. Alam niyo naman, magastos talaga guys ang travel. Kaya yung mga nagsasabi dyan na you don't need money to be happy, kayo lang yun guys. Kami kailangan namin. Huwag nyo kaming idamay sa desisyon nyo sa buhay. Alright. Malapit na tayo sa pier. I checked the GPS and we are around 20 minutes away. So, yeah. I'm wearing my sweater. Mabuti meron akong sweater kasi malamig guys. Sobrang lamig dito sa Japan. Ay, sorry. Sa Ubud pala. Ubud Valley. Uy, interesting pala ha. Yung mga traditional Indonesian or Balinese compound, they look really nice. I thought we will only see one or two compounds na traditional pa yung kanyang itsura. Pero sa isang street, almost all the houses here are in a compound na very traditional yung setup. I will try to get videos of those ones later today para makita ninyo. Like that one. Ayan. Many more guys, many more. Very interesting. So samahan niyo pa kami dito sa Bali, Indonesia if you want to see it and if you want some travel tips and hacks. If you have a plan, sa mga gusto naman ng comfort, please communicate. We are trying to organize a Bali, Indonesia travel and tour complete package. So try to reach to my email. Ayan sa baba. Ilalagay ko yung email ko dyan. Let us know if you are a family, if you are a couple, and we will do everything for you. Oh, diba, bongga? So that's this 2024, guys. Of course, I'll see you on today's episode. Before TikTok!
Hi!
Sinong asawahin mo? Anak na mangingisda or bombero?
Mangingisda. Bombay mo ha.
Oh?
Bombay mo ha.
5'6"? Ikaw, sino sa'yo? Karpintero. Pok-pok sa... Pok-pok ako. Pok-pokan kaming dalawa. Hello guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa pier or harbor going to Nusa. And we are right on time. Yahoo, sa wakas nagkita-kita din ang mga bulag guys. At ngayon ang daming tao dito. So, syempre maraming tao, maraming hayop. So, ready na tayo guys. And papasok na lang tayo shortly. As you can see, baka sabihin nyo na naman, madam, mukha lang namin lahat ang nakikita mo. Ayan, oh, ang entrance ng harbor, may buntot ng bangus. At saka marami pong tao. Ayan. So nagmamadali sila kasi aalis na po yung ating speedboat at 7:30 a.m. And we have here our ticket already and our badges for our classroom. Alright guys, let's go. So boarding na daw. Attention. Sige na, mama may pila. Pila pa nga nyo. Ashley, call your dad now. We go. Actually, nice! Wow!
I know today do that. Para sa inyo ng credit card.
Wow, guys, look!
Ate ni para sa
Hello! I challenge you, girl.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hindi na ikaw kasi Sheena.
Ay my gosh. We have to tell him. Wow. Uy, namayat talaga si Madam Ten Gifts. Appreciate. Maraming nagsabi na mayat daw talaga siya. Lumiit ang kanyang belly dahil sa kanyang belly dancing. Let's go. Ha? Tingnan lang nato sila dito. Tingnan lang ko siya na isa. Yung sasakay ka na, tapos taing-tae ka pa. Ngayon may iwan ka na ng barko, pero tae is life. Ay, ano daw? Parang hiya. Wait lang guys ha. So sinascan na lang po nila yung mga barcodes. Ang ID tag namin is to let everyone know that we are going on the same speedboat. So speedboat na malaki po yung sasakyan natin. Alright. So finally, we are now walking to the dock. And makikita ninyo guys, marami po tayong kasabayang mga guwapo pero ano na, taken na. It's a beautiful day. Sorry. Grabe, tutok na tutok yung araw. Wow. Kajer, mga anak Kajer. Isang once in a lifetime lang. Alright. Let's go. Haring araw.
Samabu.
Just lang galing mo sa utbang. Oo, abe. Ay, no, man, abe.
Say hi. Kantahan naman niya. What's so special about Nusa Penida, guys? We shall see for ourselves. But I did a little bit of reading, and it's a home for rare fishes. So may mga isda sila doon na wala sa atin, guys. Wala silang, tila natin anong klaseng isda to. Sabi nila mula-mula daw. Parang may mula-mula man tayo dyan. Taas kamay ang may mga mula-mula dyan sa Pilipinas, be. Tapos, of course, the background ng island na shaped like a dinosaurus. So, since andito na tayo sa Bali, it's worth the trip. And I would say it's quite affordable. Right now, this is a speedboat we are using, guys. So, mabilis talaga siya and it's comfortable din. Other than that, the package itself is very good. Like I said, if you plan to go to Bali, please email me in this email. I will arrange everything. We will arrange everything for you and make it comfortable for you guys para hindi nyo magawa yung mga mali na nagawa namin before. Okay? Or hindi nyo magawa yung mga mali na ginawa namin during this trip. At yung mga lapses na napansin namin, aayusin natin yan as much as possible para ma-manage yung stress at talaga magkaroon kayo ng very relaxing and enjoyable and unforgettable Bali, Indonesia. We are here. Yeah.
It's so far away.
Oh, okay. So there's no parking close to the port, guys. Kailangan nating lakarin ang parking area. Nandun pa, malayo pa, guys.
One. Thank you.
Thank you. Parang cellophane pa yatag. Parang cellophane sa ano. But they stayed here overnight. So, right now we are in Nusa Penida. Nag-loading pa.
Sa nurunta ko ingon.
Nag-loading si Madam. Wonderful weather for a beach day, guys. Of course, most times, these beautiful beaches, they are not far from each other. Pero Nusa Penida is one of a kind and they're very proud of it. Ayan.
It must be.
It must be,
It
right?
must be go.
For me,
If you're in Bali, it must. Saba?
it's a go-to.
It's a must go to.
Yes, it's a must go-to. Pero alam nyo guys, napansin ko dito, very common yung pagsisigarilyo. As in, sobrang common. Kahit saan, wala po siyang designated area para mag-yosi. Kahit saan pwedeng mag-yosi. Kaya kapag ikaw hindi ka sensitive ka sa yosi, kailangan mong lumayo-layo ng konti. Bayad na. Nagbayad na yung entrance eh. Let's go. Enter Nusa Penida Island. This is what's going to welcome you. The water, guys. It is already turquoise. How do you read turquoise?
Turqua.
Turquoise?
Yeah, it should be tuerka.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Ulay magbuot.
Please correct us. We will stand corrected, guys. Hindi po malaki yung ulo namin para hindi makinig sa inyong correction. So pag mali yung aming diction at saka pronunciation, please sabihan nyo kami. Ayan. So dito nagsisimula na sa entrance pa lang yung mga resort, mga restaurant, mga diving private arrangements. Dito lahat, mga yate. And there are also hotels. So sa mga nag-overnight, dala nila yung maleta nila. Pero kami, it's a day tour only.
She bring the water.
Look at that water, guys. Pero the bawud is real. Baludun. Yung kahit anong ganda mo, sa supot pa din ang bagsak mo. Supot pa din ang bagsak natin. So yung mga magda-dive, dito sila, at saka yung mga magsusnorkel sa mga malalalim na part. Pero guys, just tell me something about those water. Layo naman ang parking, parang nasa Pilipinas.
Mas layo pa ni?
Diba? Si Madam Ten Gives parang si Barbie girl.
I'm a Barbie girl.
In this Bali world.
No, sa Pineda.
Angel
Angel Bilyabong.
si Angel Villab.
The beach.
Okay.
Finally.
Magsalita ka naman dyan, may-ari ng Mayo.
Finally, 2 per day is now start.
Starts now.
Now start. Aba!
Ayusin mo kasi ba?
Hindi ako
Baka
nag-aaral
mamaya hindi
ba?
tayo maintindihan.
Kasi ako nag-aaral. Kaya pagkita lang halad gaon, nag-vlog na ka na.
Parang, hello po. Okay lang po. Parang yung sabi ni Harleen Hipon Budol na proud daw siyang maging bobo. Anong comment mo doon?
It's normal.
It's normal. Thank you for
It's
that
normal
very,
maging bobo, guys.
yes, very long comment.
Kailangan kasi guys, kailangan minsan marunong ka rin maging bobo.
Oh,
Kasi yung mga kausap mo bobo din.
For me, mag-comment ako doon sa sinabi ni Harleen, Harleen na okay lang maging bobo. Yes, I agree. Okay lang maging bobo. Hindi pwedeng ikahiya na bobo tayo minsan, okay? Ang dapat mong ikahiya, yung proud ka na wala ka namang alam.
Katulad mo.
So,
Bobo ka sa pag-ibig.
wag dito sis. Wag dito sa aking episode. So, pag bobo ka, tapos hindi ka marunong tumanggap ng mga hindi ka marunong matuto, hindi ka nag-accept ng mga facts, that's the problema.
Okay.
So, this is our private car.
In the back. Okay. Go Ash.
Go, 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 go.
Faster.
Ayan guys. So once again, sa mga gustong mag-book ng kanilang Bali Adventure, Bali Indonesia, please email me down below. Laging nag-a-advertise. Kung gusto niyo ng comfort, walang problema dahil nadaanan na namin yung problema and we don't want you to have these problems and issues in your Bali experience. So let us handle it, guys. Full package. Let us. Sa pilitan to.
Guys, barang sa Pilipinas. Hindi iconic yung bilis ng dalan. Kapag dalan, bakit yun? Bakit hindi ang mga hotel dari? Puro pampang.
Wayan is our local driver. Hello, Wayan.
Hello.
What is the busiest time of the year? Many people come here. What month?
Pawande?
Per month? January, February,
January,
March, April. Which one?
April.
April.
Yeah.
A lot of people in summer. You work for Mr. Artha.
Mr. Arsa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, the road is a winding road, guys. Dito sa island ng Nusa Penida. Again, nothing beats comfort when you are traveling. For me, yung iba gusto nila budget to the max. Pero we have our different preferences, kaya for us, we like it more na comfortable para mas ma-enjoy natin yung paligid. So yung first natin na pupuntahan ay isa sa kanilang must visit na beach resort, which is Angel Bilyabong. So tara,
Ini yung kukunti.
daming hinog ng sampalok nila.
Sa baby swing pool.
Guys, right now we are having a little bit of a jam here kasi meron pong cremation ceremony na nangyayari. In Hinduism, they do cremate their loved ones when they pass. Ayan. So they are playing different types of traditional instruments. Very nice to witness. Very deep part of their culture is to know na they do cremate. So that's the difference. And Hinduism in Bali, almost the highest number of their religious practices here. Makipot lang yung daan, guys. Meron nga palang nag-comment no na how can we understand? We don't understand your language and we are watching your videos. I do apologize to you guys because I cannot just speak English all throughout the video. I mean, I could, but since most of like 90% of my viewers are my fellow Filipinos, mas okay para sa amin ang local language namin or yung national language namin. Ayan. Pero sana you can follow my videos through the actions and the other part of videos where I'm not talking. For the comment section, you can translate. So, yeah. Okay, finally we have arrived. It's quite a walking distance, guys. Kita niyo si Madam, bitbit niya ang kanyang galon. Amazing race to eh. So, yung mga kapatid ko, nakasunod lang yan sila, guys. Mainit, so don't forget kapag pumunta kayo ng Bali, and don't forget to pack the essentials. Yung insect repellent, sunblock, damihan nyo na. Sunblock sa mukha, sunblock sa katawan nyo. Mga swimming gear ninyo, dalhin nyo na din. Tsaka summer hat, ayan. Syempre yung mga, ano pa ba? Yun lang naman eh. Tsaka maraming pera, tsaka maraming credit card. Cards. With S. May energy si Madam mag-walk ah.
Miss ko na mag-exercise na eh.
Kaya nga no. Ay, sorry. You go ahead. So a lot of people guys takes photo from this point. Ito yung kanilang highlight dito sa Angel Villabong Beach Resort. Ang ganda ha, in fairness.
Yes. Coba.
Alright. First few shots done. This is the Broken Beach pala siya guys. And I would say that you have to be very careful kasi yung mga best shots is really close to the cliff. And they already put a sign na take your poses at your own risk. So if you fall, which I pray nobody will fall kasi sobrang lalim talaga and dangerous pag nahulog ka, lalo na hindi ka marunong lumangoy or wala kang experience sa diving, it's not a good idea. Kaya during the time na nagpipicture, talagang katugtuhod. Ngayon, hindi ako napalipad ng drone dito kasi wala akong landing area. Ang daming tao. I believe I can find another place later. So, let's go. Pero ganun kadami ang tao guys ha. Behind me, you can see. Ayan. So, from the Broken Beach to Angel Villabong is not very far. So, maglalakad lang tayo guys. I believe it's on that side where there's a lot of people. Ayun.
More people.
So this is Nusa Penida. Once again, welcome guys to the real Nusa Penida reality experience. Not Instagrammable part. Mamaya, papakita natin sa inyo yung mga Instagrammable moment na sinasabi nila. So, wear comfortable flats. Don't bring heavy things. And pack your power bank. Available po yung power bank ko na heavy duty guys. Kung gusto nyo bumili sa akin, email nyo lang ako. Lahat ng gadgets ko, isang power bank lang yung gamit ko. 30,000 mAh. Of course, sa solid niya, sa quality niya, maganda din yung presyo niya. When I say maganda yung presyo guys, hindi ko sinabing mura ha. You have to pay for the quality. Nagbenta. Siyempre, kailangan nating magbenta. Let's go. So you see guys, the kind of road na dadaanan ninyo ay very sharp and rocky. So, wear your best comfortable shoes. Ayan, marami ng tao dito na part. At least dito nilagyan nila ng barricade para hindi ka biglaang mahulog. Baka mamaya yung holiday mo naging horrible. Daming tao ah. Did you learn? Nice photos equals real sacrifices. And life.
Leads to beautiful destination.
Oh, wow. Again, louder, louder.
Rocky road leads to beautiful destination.
Grabe. Habang tumatagal, dumadami yung vocabulary mo, ah. Okay. So, real talk, there's a queue for the photo spots. Kung saan kayo pwedeng tumayo, kayo. Pero, take your own risk. Tapos, merong pila. So, hanggang sa hindi pa tapos yung isang photographer ng another group, you cannot go. Nakakatakot guys ha, may nahulog na daw dyan eh. And it's very possible kasi you are only one step behind you. Pag nagpapapicture kayo, one step na lang, mahuhulog ka na sa cliff. And we're talking about how many meters kaya yun gang? From up to down, like 50. Like 50 meters, no?
50 meters below the ground.
Below the ground. Ang labas mo. Wow, sinugbang mais.
Guys, sobrang ganda, sobrang perfect. Nakita niyo yung dinosaur na shape? This is it. This is the must take a photo nyo dito sa Nusa Penida. Very nice.
Okay, so we did that. Nakilingking Beach is where you will find that image of a T-Rex-like na island.
Yes.
And actually, you can still go down. Kasi so, kita nyo naman sa video natin, sobrang ganda, right?
Yes.
Sobrang ganda ng water, sobrang
Lamig ng hangin.
lamig ng hangin, ang pure at ang white ng sand. But if you want to go down, be ready to go up kasi sobrang steep. And if you have that time as well. Pero if you're not going to do that, meron namang another beach after this activity where you can enjoy the remaining time of your day. But this activity where you want to take photos with the dinosaur-like image will only take you guys like 10 minutes. And then, pwede na kayong umalis. For me, I just took photos and then we flew our drone. And then that's it. Now we are going for lunch. So yung lunch namin, kasali na siya sa package. We're gonna have a free flow buffet somewhere. We'll see and check it out. So let's go. Okay guys, lunchtime and finally we got our food. I ordered nasi goreng. Basically, I've been saying too much lately. Let me try. My lunch is nasi goreng. Basically, this is rice cooked in coconut milk. Meron din siyang karning manok na parang barbecue. And this is, here is another Indonesian food. Yung iba, pwedeng ipares nila is piniritong manok. Pero yung amin, it's skewer and pure meat. Peanut butter yung sauce niya. And I ordered sambal or their special spicy sauce. Kasi nakakagana. Ayan na siya guys. So let's eat up. This is the Crystal Beach. Basically, hindi siya ganun kalaki, guys. Just from there up to here. And there's a lot of tourist flock in this place. They almost napuno na lahat ng mga higaan, mga payong. At sobrang init. So, we decided not to stay. We decided not to swim. So parang ang sarap iligo that part over there kasi hindi siya masyadong maalon. Pero ganyan yung itsura niya. Mas marami yung westerners na nag-e-enjoy kasi gusto nilang magpa-sunbath. Gusto nilang mag-tan like that. Pero tayong mga Pinoy, masakit din masyado sa balat natin eh. Pero yung water niya, nakikita lang din sa Philippines. Than this one. Mas maganda kanina yung Kilingking. Mas maganda kanina yung Kilingking na beach area. Sana pala bumaba kami after namin magpa-picture dun sa may dinosaur. Kasi sobrang ganda ng beach dun. Mas malapad siya and then wala masyadong naliligo. Kasi people just went there to take photos. Ayaw na nilang bumaba. So if we have known, we should have stayed there for 1 hour and then went back home. Kasi dito hindi siya mas pipiliin ng mga kapatid ko na pumunta ng Bali, bumalik ng Bali to do some shopping. So let's go. Doon na lang tayo mag beach.